Welcome everybody to Gus Brown Buick GMC here in Port Perry. Take a look at this value find. This is a 2018 Chevy Cruze Premier. Yes, it is the Premier. It's got tons of features on it. Take a look at this beautiful red color. Only 153,000 kilometers and no accident history. We are going to take you on a walk around of this Cruze so you can get a look at all the great features and the condition. So that way you can head over here to Gus Brown with full confidence this is the right car for you. Underneath the hood, we have a 1.4 liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission. You're going to get fantastic fuel economy, but you're also going to get a lot of pickup and get up and go with that turbocharger as well. You can see from the side profile, it is a good size sedan. There's room for adults in the back seat. We'll show you that in a minute. Up front, we have 17-inch alloy wheels, great looking rubber on there as well. LED turn signals in the side view mirrors. And then as we come around to the back, nice looking taillights. Have the nice gold Chevy bow tie on the back, the Premier logo and the Gus Brown logo, because this was originally bought at Gus Brown. Now, let's pop open our trunk. Oh, I should have unlocked the car first. One second, hold on. Let's go unlock the car. I'll give you a little sneak peek on the interior. So here's our sneak peek of the interior. You can see the nice leather seats. Let's go pop open this trunk first to show you this. All right, now that we've got it unlocked, look at all the space we have back here. Tons of room in the back, lots of cargo space, plus a rear seat that does fold down as well in case you have some longer things that you want to throw into the trunk. Coming around to the passenger side so you can see all 4 corners of the Cruze. And then up front to get a look at these nice headlights and a fantastic looking front grille as well. Now let's go check out the interior. We'll start with the back seats here and then we'll hop into the front. One of the cool things, it does have the keyless entry assist on the back doors and the front doors too, which is kind of handy. In the back, nice leather seating. You can see a big center armrest that folds down as well. There's a USB port down here to keep the little ones plugged in and charged up for nice road trips. And then up front, we have, again, those nice leather seats. These are heated seats up front, and we have a power driver's seat as well. Now hopping in. All right, so we've got a leather wrapped heated steering wheel. You can see that heated steering wheel button here. Our cruise controls, our controls for our center display, and then as always, the radio controls are behind the steering wheel. In our center display, you'll see here 153,173 kilometers. Pretty good kilometers for a 2018 as well. Given the condition, I mean, it is a great find here at Gus Brown. You can see the nice center console, little driver's point perspective here. The infotainment system does have Sirius satellite radio. It also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll see that there with the projection, pardon me. And then we have a nice clear rear view camera as well. Our heating and air conditioning, our 3-stage heated front seats for the driver and the passenger. A USB port, auxiliary port, our automatic shifter for our 6-speed. And then I left the keys in here to show us that we do have even a remote starter as well. And that's hooked up to our push button start that you can see here just behind the steering wheel. So a nice remote start to get everything warmed up on very, very cold days such as today. And then last but not least is our Carfax 18 Chevy Cruze, no accident or damage records found, 8 service records on file as well that you can review. But this is a really, really nice find. Obviously a fantastic color, great kilometers, great condition, and it is going to be a very popular vehicle, priced right, ready to go. The sun has come out and it's shining on this fantastic 2018 Chevy Cruze right here at Gus Brown. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you soon in Port Perry.